Like Warner Wolf used to say, let's go to the videotape. It's going to go flying over the railing any minute now. Let's watch. My drunken chair, my drunken table, drunken umbrella. I doubt we'll be able to see it shatter in the grass. But we'll see it plop over. It's getting, the winds are picking up. You see it. Whoa, whoa, I can still see it. What's with these winds? There it goes. Bam! And then when the table went down, shattered everywhere. Yeah, you have it. This is why people need video cameras set up by their house. Makes sense. It's a shame though. I mean, I did like that table. Umbrella's still good. I ordered another table off eBay. So don't worry about it. I know where to get them. Have a good one, everyone.